Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to the long-range weather forecast discussion for April 30th to May 12th. We have this upper low here over northern Canada, and this, if we watch it, it'll be kind of like retrograde westward. Not kind of, but it does. You can see it retrograde westward into this ridge that's across Alaska and the Arctic region, and we have above normal heights here with the ridge in the east. You can see we have a westerly flow, zone of flow here in the eastern U.S. So the trough in the west will ensure favorable conditions for snow in the central and northern Rockies. Late season light snow will be possible in the northern plains. And we're going to look at this now. This is tomorrow at 8 a.m. You can see we have snow here. Here's a system. Then we have another system here moving into the west. And this here will be rain, obviously, and this is snow. We have a little bit of ice here and so forth. And during this period, we're expecting the heaviest rain to be across the southern plains of lower Mississippi Valley. You can see here's heavy rainfall here. This is the European. This is 8 p.m. on Tuesday, heavy rain. And then it moves into lower Mississippi Valley, 2 a.m. Wednesday, and it's still there. This is an area that's still experiencing flooding. And flooding will continue parts of along the Missouri River till further notice. There's also potential for heavy rain to move into the Ohio Valley and the Mid-Atlantic, and we'll take a look at that. This is the European, yep, and here's the GFS. A little heavier with the rainfall, but especially here, you got to watch down across the southern plains or lower Mississippi Valley for that. Okay, we're going to look at the period now for May 3rd to the 7th. And the flow remains generally unchanged. However, the upper low meanders across northwest Canada. You see it right here. That's the GFS. We take a look at the other models. But otherwise, we still have sort of like a split flow here. Here's the southern stream. I'm going to draw that for you now. Let me see if I can do that. Okay, we're going to try this again. Here's the southern stream. Oops. Here's the southern stream. I'm going to try to highlight it. Okay, it's not working, but here's the southern stream, here's the northern stream. So I have a trough here in the west, ridge in the east. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here and for the lower mid-Atlantic and the southeast. I don't forecast anomalies about 4 to 6 degrees above normal. Below normal temperatures forecast for the northern states with anomalies of 2 to 6 degrees below normal for precipitation. Calling for above normal precipitation for most of the nation, especially down here across this region here. Now it's working. And the probability of occurrence is 45 to 55%. I haven't been this high in a while, but I'm pretty confident, especially across the southern plains, lower Mississippi Valley will experience heavy rainfall. Okay, we're going to look at the period for now, May 8th to the 12th. The pattern, excuse me, the models are in good agreement with this pattern. So we're going to start here. This is the 8th. Let me see if I can get there. Oh, I just lost it. Okay, hold on. Hold on, bear with me. Just bear with me. I just closed, when I closed the ink on it, it closed that, it wiped out everything I had on there. Okay, we're going to look at the period for now for the 8th to the 12th. Okay, here is the GFS. Most of the models are predicting a rather flat flow with near to above normal heights across the nation. And you can see this is the GFS. This is its ensembles. And this is the European ensembles, which fairly keeps consistent, keeping this trough here in the west, ridge in the east, while the other miles here, let me see if this one will load. Well, that's the NAEFS. It's showing the same like the GFS. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting. I don't have this map up. I'll get it in a second. I'm forecasting near to above normal temperatures for much of the nation, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 4 degrees above normal. And for precipitation, still forecasting above normal precipitation for much of the area, especially down across this area here. And again, the probability of occurrence is 45 to 55%. Oh, one thing I want to show you here, going back to this trend here. This is, I said, the European ensembles, but look at the NAEFS finally loaded and the European. We want to here look at the ensemble means. These are the ensemble members, and most of them are. Some are showing a trough here in the west, and not in good agreement. Trough here, trough, ridge, trough. But then you get down here later in the period, it kind of shows like more of a zone of flow. This is the ensemble means. So I just want to show you that. And okay, that's it for now. Have a good day.